to RoseTinted. It has been a long ass time since I've vlogged a single thing, but I decided I wanted to do Vlogmas this year. However, vlogging every single day and uploading every single day, it's not realistic, for me anyway. So what I've decided to do is go back to doing weekly vlogs and do them for the weeks in December leading up to Christmas, if that makes any sense. So it is currently 10 a.m. on Monday the 2nd of December. I am up, I'm washed, I'm dressed. This is the outfit that I've chosen. I've done my makeup. I have thrown my hair up in a bun, but only because there's only so much bothered I can do in one day. And I'm now downstairs. I need to make some milk for Nicholas because we are going out this morning, and so he's going to need milk. I also have the dry buddy on for washing. I'm on my way to give the living room the once over. Apart from that, I will catch up with you guys in a little bit because I think I have quite an exciting day planned. So yeah, catch you in a bit.
Peekaboo, hello, handsome. Say good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning, guys. So it is Wednesday the 4th of December. Excuse all of this chic that's going on. I have a lot to do today. I've woken up super early and I'm in a really productive mood, so I'm gonna see how much I get done today. I didn't actually film anything else the other day because your bitch got lazy real quick, but like I say, I'm in a doing mood today. I'm feeling really positive for some reason, so yeah, let's jump on the housework and I'll take you guys along with me. Current state of the kitchen. Yeah, we need to fix this. Better and feels much cleaner. Do excuse these, these need to go in Nicholas's room, but I haven't gotten around to it yet. So yeah, but apart from that, my kitchen's looking tidy. Okay, so the kitchen is done, cup of tea has been had. I'm now sitting watching the Mile Higher podcast and I'm going to finish off my Christmas wrapping. So I'm going to go ahead and do that just now. Hopefully I can get this done before Nicholas wakes up, but ambitious. So it is December 5th, I believe, and it's Thursday, so I have quite a busy day today actually. I got up quite early with Nicholas and he's gone back down for a nap at the minute. I got myself washed and dressed and I put makeup on today. Not much, but enough. So what I'm currently doing is we're kind of just having I'm just having a cozy night in tonight. But first I've got to go and drop my niece off at dancing and then pick her up and then take her back to my dad's because my sister's actually on placement at the minute. So we're all kind of mucking in to make sure that we're all helping, I suppose. So yeah, I need to go and do that, but first I need to go and make the bed. Well, actually I need to change the bedding. Make the bed and just do like a general tidy so that this evening there's nothing that needs to be done and it can just be like chilled. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna go and do now, and I'm hoping I can get that done before Nicholas wakes up, otherwise it gets entertaining. So as you guys can see, I badly need to tidy the bedroom. Okay, bedroom is looking much better. Much tidier. Oh, I think I can hear a baby.
Hello, Sleepy. Hello, handsome. Hello. Did you have a nice nap? Did you have a nice nap, honey? You that.
Hey guys, so it is Friday the 6th of December and we are going into town today for some lunch and we're going to go to the Christmas village. Nicholas is in the back. Nicholas! Hey Noodles! No? Okay. And Spuggy is driving. We don't often get a chance to have family days, especially at the weekends because of the dogs and it's a whole situation. But Spuggy had a half day today, so we're all going to go in and enjoy the Christmas village and stuff like that. Well, it's slightly quieter as well, while people are still at work or school or whatever it is normal people do. So yeah, I thought I'd bring you guys along with us. Hey guys, so we've come to Union Cafe Bistro, not where we wanted to go for lunch, right? It's like a Turkish cafe and it's bloody awful, man. All I wanted from today was a cheese panini, right? I ain't getting a cheese panini, I'm getting a fully cooked breakfast I don't like. But the city was full and we couldn't get in, so I'm trying not to grouch or grump, but I'm not being successful. So let's hope the breakfast is nice.
Are you happy? Are you happy with our choice? No, me neither, mate. Me neither.
Currently 10:10 in the evening and we've had quite a busy day. So we went to the Christmas village, which I know I've got footage of, and we then went to Dobie's garden centre. Basically the only footage I've got of that is Nicholas looking at fish, but I will insert it for you. And then we came home, I had a nap, so did Nicholas. And then we went out for dinner with my dad, my sister and my niece to, is it the Mains of Balquhorn, something like that. It's basically a Premier Inn. Went for dinner there, so we're now just back. Nicholas has hopefully gone to bed, and we are sat here with coffees, just trying to, I don't know, wind down from the day. But tomorrow should be eventful again, so hopefully I'll take you guys along to that as well. But thank you for, no, thank you, because it's not the end of my vlog yet, is it? But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Morning guys, so it is Saturday the 7th of December and it is 11:10, so we're currently heading in to Aberdeen again to meet up with my sister and my niece, and we're all going to the city, hopefully for lunch, because I will get this goddamn cheese panini, and then we're going to head back to the Christmas village because we have the kids with us now and that really means nothing because I go for myself. But yeah, it'll be nice for us all to be there together, and then I think my dad is meeting us a little bit later on, but we actually have plans this evening, so I'm not going to be in town for too long today, but yeah, I'm excited to spend like some family time. Anyhow, I will catch up with you guys in a bit.
Say Dada.
Papa.
Yeah.